What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Shield Republic YouTube channel. And today we're going fishing. Just went out and bought a Shakespeare ocean rod as well as a Quantum ocean rod. I know how to fish, been fishing multiple times, but I will say I don't know what's the best brand, and these were $80 rods, so nothing insane. I did have some freshwater rods, but wanted to get a little bit extra strength because you never know what you're gonna catch. Anyways, about to go out to a pier in St. Pete, Florida. See what the hype's all about, see if we can catch some stuff. Let's go. Alright guys, so if you tuned into last week's video, you saw I was getting ready to sell the Silverado. So today we're in the Tacoma. I've put probably, let's see, I put 110 miles on it so far, and I want to tell you, man, going from an 06 to a 2016 is something completely out of this world. We're on 33 mud grabs, which is near about the biggest mud tire you can have street legal. Ignore the tire sensors because these rims don't have those. I need to get some, but driving just as straight as can be, no vibration, excuse me, no vibration in the steering wheel, and it's just amazing how far vehicles have come versus 2006, and that's not even that long. 10 years and modern technology is an amazing thing. Alright guys, so we just came onto the pier, and I don't know if any of our followers are from the St. Pete or Tampa area, but this is actually the old bridge to get to St. Pete, and now they use it as a drive-on pier. So it's pretty cool. We're gonna drive down a little bit, find a spot, and we'll set up. Alright guys, so we made it about 3/4 of the way down the bridge, and talk about beautiful out here. Bunch of people out night fishing. There's the bridge into St. Pete right there. Just getting the poles set up, and then we'll throw a line in. All right guys, casting out for the first time tonight. All right, Jacob's got the first fish of the night coming up. A baby.
Hey buddy.
Ooh, not bad. And like I said earlier, guys, no fishing. I've been fishing, but not an expert on like the best reels, nor do I know what every fish is. So I have no idea what that was. Just got us a little one. Not the same size as the one you pulled up. What's up, buddy? And he didn't get my bait.
He might be dead now.
It's freaking, we're using a street lights that's on the pier. Super convenient. You don't really have to bring a flashlight or anything like that. We're set up on the far side now. We caught 2 fish on the bridge side so far. One for me, one for Jacob. But you can hardly see anything out this way. Did see quite a few fish swimming on this side, so hopefully we'll get lucky. Reeling up number 2.
Probably the same size.
A little bit bigger.
Slightly. Things so easier. There we go.
So a little bit bigger this time.
She's pretty. Look at that.
Nice.
Nice. Very nice. Ooh.
All right, guys. So we're just finishing up. We actually brought 4 lures, and we got snagged with all 4 lures. So rule of thumb: don't fish in between the bridges if you ever come here. Fish on the outside, which a lot of the locals were doing, but we figured change it up in between these barriers out here from the old bridge. There should have been some good fish, and we did end up catching 3. So all right, guys, so we just got back to the apartment. We're gonna make this a 2-part video. We're gonna go get some sleep, go back in the morning. First, got to get some more lures because we lost all of those, and then we'll make a part 2 in the morning, but within the same video, because I think this is going to be a shorter video anyway. What is up, guys? It's 7:31. We just got out to the pier, went and got some new lures this morning. As you can see, there's actually a boat right here fishing the pier and a boat down here, so hopefully they know something that we don't know. About to set up the rigs, throw a line in. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we got a rig set up. It's pretty simple. I just wanted to show y'all what we were working with. Just a 2-ounce weight rig and some squid that we cut up. Nothing too crazy, and it was catching fish last night. If anything, we'll come back again and we'll try a different bait, switch it up a little bit, but this is what we had left over from last night, so no need to buy new stuff when you have current stuff. We haven't had a line in for, I haven't had a line in for maybe 3 minutes. I already caught a little bait catcher, so probably gonna cut him up and use him for some additional bait. I caught him in the eye. So yeah, he's gonna die. All right, guys. I'm just using the fish tail. Don't really know if that's a good idea or if the head would have been a better idea, but let's see what we can do. Oh, a little bit bigger than what we've been catching.
Oh,
nice.
That's pretty.
Oh yeah.
Look what we got here.
Is that a freaking blow-up fish?
It looks like it.
Yeah, he's croaking. Let's take him over to the towel. Now we're catching some fish. Not too shabby, right in the mouth. All right, guys, hopefully you just saw, I actually just caught pretty good sized fish. You'll get to see it in the video, but we had it in time-lapse mode on accident. So about to throw in again. Let's see what we can. All right, Jake was pulling one up, guys. Oh yeah, good size. Better than that first one I caught.
Pretty though.
Oh yeah, and you got to keep your bait.
Caught you in the gills, nice and good. Nice blue.
Oh yeah, very nice. So that's pretty much what we've been pulling out all morning. Nothing too crazy. It's a decent fishing spot. Definitely you will catch some fish if you come. Probably cast out a few more times. Nothing crazy, but we're gonna move on, try to find a new spot eventually, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so we're finishing up here this morning at the drive-on pier. Other than the 2, didn't catch anything this morning. Had super aggressive bites, and around these columns, kind of like there and here, a bunch of fish swimming around. We actually even just saw a sea turtle. So definitely fish in this area. If you come out to this area, it's very prominent. However, if you're looking for a specific thing, I can't really say yes or no if you're gonna catch that here. But we're gonna head out before it starts raining. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.